Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Amy. How you doing? So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash product review on this hair I bought from Arabella Hair. The link to where you can get it on Amazon will be provided in the description box down below. If you would like to see that, then please keep on watching. Subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Leave a like if you like the video. Turn on your notifications so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. We're doing Mondays and Fridays and sometimes Wednesdays. So after I open the box and see like what goodies lie inside, I'm gonna braid my hair down and actually style the wig and go from there. So I got this package from Amazon and I'm gonna open it up. I wanted it to be like clean and precise, but that's not happening. Oh, okay, that's cute. Aww. Okay, so here's the box, and it says on the front,
"Our hair, your glory."
Kind of like no glitz, no
glitz. No glitz.
No guts, no glory, but it's our hair, your glory. I ordered a 13 by 16 lace frontal wig in 10 inches. So yeah, it's gonna be a short one this time. I want to try something different than like my last wig video that you guys seem to have loved. And hopefully this time around you'll love this one even more. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. Comes with some scrunchies. This is cute. Aww. Oh, that's cute. Thank you. I'm scared. It feels like when you go to the grocery store and you gotta pick up meat, and it's just like that slab of meat and you just like, okay, so this is what it's looking like. Oh, it's soft. You can see the knots. So I'm definitely gonna have to bleach this. So I'm gonna bleach the knots and I'm going to pluck the hairline. The hairline does look like it's kind of pre-plucked already, because it's not that. It doesn't look like it just is like super blunt. It comes with combs. That's nice. It comes with 4 combs. Oh, she full. This is how far back her parting is. Her part space, I guess I should say. You see? What should we name her? We gotta give her a name. She looks like a Rebecca. She gonna be named Rebecca. It's kind of like a lob because it's like longer than a bob. I thought it was gonna be a bob because it was 10 inches, but maybe I'm short, but 10 inches seems to like have some length on me. I feel like I should have got the 8 because I wanted it to be like short, but I might end up cutting this too. I kind of don't like the way I curled it, but I mean, that's besides the point. So if you guys did in fact like this wig, then I will have the link in the description box down below to where you can purchase one and customize it to your own liking. Thanks guys so much for watching. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
Like woo 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 woo. You know how the kids do. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in the like woo.